Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Those who are absolutely new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon just beside the subscribe button. Today I am going to discuss about the gap insurance. Do you need gap insurance? Gap is an insurance industry acronym for Guaranteed Auto Protection. This type of insurance is only needed for a short period of time, while the value of a loan taken out to buy a car is greater than the overall value of the car. With gap insurance, the insurer would be liable to repay this difference in value should the car get totaled in an accident. Normal car insurance won't cover this. For example, if you put no money down when you financed or leased a car, then the amount that you have borrowed may be more than the total cost of the car for a few years. If the car is totaled in an accident or stolen, standard car insurance will only pay you the current value. So you will lose money paying back the original loan or lease. Gap insurance covered this gap between the depreciate value of the car and the amount owed on the loan. Whether you need car gap insurance can depend on the type of the vehicle that you purchase or lease. But is gap insurance worth it? It may be if you believe you may owe more money on a vehicle than your comprehensive auto insurance policy would pay out if you are to file a claim. Key takeaway: gap insurance, also known as guaranteed auto protection, reimburses a car owner when the payment for a total loss is less than the outstanding loan or lease balance. Gap insurance is only needed for a short period of time while the loan value is greater than the overall value of the car being leased or financed. With gap insurance, the insurer would be liable to repay this difference in value should the car get totaled in an accident. Normal car insurance won't cover this. Gap insurance makes the most sense for people who put no money down and choose a long payoff period. For a couple of years, they may owe more on the car than its current value. It also makes sense for those who lease rather than purchase a vehicle. You may be able to skip gap insurance if you made a down payment of at least 20% on the car when you bought it, or if you are paying off the car loan in less than 5 years. You don't need gap insurance for the life of the car, just until your loan balance doesn't exceed the car value. What is gap insurance on the car? Gap insurance is a supplement auto policy that covers any difference between the insured value of a vehicle and the balance of a loan or lease that the owner must repay. If your vehicle is totaled or stolen before the loan on its paid off, then gap insurance is needed to cover any difference between your auto insurance payout and the amount that you owe on the vehicle. If you are financing a vehicle purchase, your lender may require you to have gap insurance for certain types of car, trucks, and SUVs. Especially these include vehicles they may depreciate and lose value at faster rate than usual, such as luxury sedans or SUVs or certain other types of SUVs.